Ever wondered how a single ground fault could compromise your entire fire alarm system? Today, we'll explain what a ground fault is and why addressing it is critical for fire safety. What is a ground fault? A ground fault occurs when an electrical current unintentionally flows to the ground, bypassing its normal path. In fire alarm systems, this can disable alarm functions and create false alarms. Causes of ground faults in fire alarm systems. Common causes include damaged cables, water ingress, corroded terminals, poor wiring practices. How to detect ground faults? Most fire alarm control panels are designed to detect ground faults automatically. A ground fault indication usually triggers a warning on the control panel, prompting immediate action. Impact of ground faults on fire alarm systems. A ground fault can disable notification devices like sirens and strobe lights, prevent system activation during emergencies, lead to false alarms, causing disruptions and fines. Preventive measures according to UAE Fire and Life Safety Code. Use proper insulation and fire-rated cables. Conduct regular inspections and maintenance. Keep fire alarm panels dry and secure. Engage only civilians approved contractors for system installation and maintenance. Remember, a well-maintained fire alarm system saves lives. Schedule routine maintenance to keep your fire safety systems operational and comply with UAE Fire and Life Safety Codes.